this is Hans, and it's time for another unboxing time with the Ramen Raider. And today we've got a box from the United States. This is from Empire International. They're a big distributor here in the States, and yeah, let's look and see what's inside. Alright, haven't seen peanuts in a while. Alright, first off we've got an envelope here. Hi there, Ramen Raider. We're excited to introduce you to our new products and wanted to let you know all about them. They are FitMee instant noodle with 2 unique flavors and Sambal Matah. Matah is the famous Balinese salsa. We are sending some samples for you to try on your blog. Cool. Alright, well, let's take a look. So here's the FitMee. This is the first one. This is a Korean mee goreng. I don't know if this is spicy or sweet. It kind of looks like it might be sweet. I really don't know. So we'll find out in short order. That's for sure. This is interesting. These are Konjac noodles. So they're really low calorie. Let's check out the stats. Yeah, it looks like this whole thing is 160 calories. That's really not bad. And then we've got Soto, and this one's only 60 calories. And this is an Indonesian style flavor. So, wow. I also sent some sauce. This is Sambal Matah chili sauce with lemongrass and shallots. And this, check this out. Wow. That looks pretty hardcore right there. This could be just like the most lethally spicy stuff ever, so looking forward to giving this a try. Well, thank you very much to the folks over at Empire International for shooting these over, this Sambal and these noodles. I'll be trying them very soon, and hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.